Welcome to Auto Garage, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Here, we bring you detailed reviews, specifications, and features of classic and modern cars to fuel your passion for automobiles. Today, we dive into the legendary 1975 Premier Padmini, a car that holds a special place in Indian automotive history. The Premier Padmini was a compact car produced in India by Premier Automobiles. Known for its timeless design and reliability, it became an icon for Indian families and car enthusiasts alike. This model was equipped with a 1089cc, four-cylinder petrol engine that delivered around 40 horsepower. Although the power figures might seem modest by today's standards, the Padmini was renowned for its smooth performance, fuel efficiency, and ease of maintenance, making it an ideal choice for urban roads during its time. The car featured a front engine, rear-wheel drive layout, providing a balanced driving experience. The gearbox was a 4-speed manual with a column-mounted shifter, a unique characteristic that added to its charm. The suspension system, with independent coil springs at the front and semi-elliptical leaf springs at the rear, ensured a comfortable ride even on uneven roads. Design-wise, the 1975 Premier Padmini showcased a minimalist yet elegant aesthetic. Its compact dimensions, rounded headlights, and chrome accents gave it a distinct identity. The interior was simple yet functional, with a straightforward dashboard layout, basic instrumentation, and comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers. The airy cabin and large windows provided excellent visibility and a pleasant driving experience. The Padmini's affordability and widespread availability of spare parts made it a favorite among Indian consumers. It wasn't just a car, it became a part of Indian culture, often seen in movies and cherished by families for generations. Today, the Premier Padmini holds a nostalgic value and remains a prized possession for vintage car collectors. If you're a fan of automotive history, the 1975 Premier Padmini is a fascinating car that reflects the evolution of the Indian automobile industry. It's a reminder of simpler times and the joy of driving a machine built with character and purpose. For more such detailed reviews, features, and insights into the world of classic and modern cars, make sure to subscribe to Auto Garage. Your support helps us bring more engaging and informative content to car enthusiasts like you. Join us as we explore the automotive world one car at a time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.